Hi guys, I'm LaChef. I'm back, you're back, we're all back. Okay, so I'm going to be making the best vegan black bean burgers. So let's get started. We're going to put the black beans in our food processor, and black beans are absolutely good for the kidneys. And this is about 2 cups of black beans, and I'm going to put 1 cup of black rice. Okay, so as you can see, I've been cleaning as I go because my mom usually says, make sure you clean as you go. So I clean as I go. And I'm just going to use 1 leaf of kale, and I'm just gonna pull it off. And I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. So this technique is called a chiffonade. I use this technique a lot. Okay, so all I'm going to do is roll the kale up, and I'm just going to cut it into nice thin ribbons, just like this. And I move my fingers back as I'm cutting. See? Okay, so now I'm going to put the kale in the food processor, and I'm going to be cutting up some red bell peppers, and I'm just going to be using about half of this, a little more. And I'm just going to be removing the seeds because we don't need the seeds right now, but you can grow some red bell peppers, but they have to be organic. Oh, there's a lot of juice. Okay, so I'm just going to put them in the food processor, and I'm going to be putting some carrots, and they're better when they're sauteed because you have a lot more nutrients. And I'm going to be cutting up half of an onion. Please don't make my eyes burn. And I'm just going to thinly slice it. Just like that. That'll work. Just going to slide it off my knife. And I have some smoked paprika, oregano, Italian seasoning, Himalayan pink salt, and fresh ground white pepper because white pepper is so much better for you. So now I'm going to add in some unbleached all-purpose flour to like bind it together. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the food processor on. Okay, so now we're going to put the expeller press safflower oil in. And we're using expeller press because other oils clog up your arteries. And did you know that some children have heart disease? So we're just going to put a little bit of oil in. That should be good. And this is the fun part. We're going to form our patties. So, oh wait, I'm going to put some flour on my hands. And we're just gonna get dirty. And we're just going to take some, and we're just going to put the mixture on. And all you have to do is form it into a patty, just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put the burger patty in the skillet. Okay, and all you have to do is just keep making some. Okay, so now we're going to put our burger together. Okay, so I am taking the bottom half and I'm putting this special sauce. Okay, so I make my sauces all the time, but I'll give you a hint. This sauce is from Rochester. My mom's from Rochester, New York. I'll give you a hint. It's the boss of all sauces. Okay, so I'm just going to put the boss of all sauces on here on the bottom half so it doesn't have to be too messy. Then we're going to put our burger patty, our lettuce, cucumbers. Okay, so now I'm going to put my pickled onions. Okay, so I just cut up. What? They know I've been working with flour. Like hell. I've been working with flour for the whole video. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put my pickled onions, and I just cut up a few onions and I put them in some red wine vinegar and I let them sit for about 10 or 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to take some. I love onions. A little more. One more. This is the last one. After this one, this is the last onion. I'm serious this time. Okay, so now I'm going to put my avocado, my fresh avocado, and put the top on. And I have my black bean burger. Okay, so now I'm going to taste the burger. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm on camera. Stop. Hi. Okay, so now I'm going to taste my burger. It's so good. If you try this will make me so happy. Thank you so much for cooking with me. I had so much fun with you. Make sure you subscribe for new videos. Oh wait, I forgot. This recipe is in my cookbook. So make sure you get my cookbook at Amazon.com, or you can get it on my website, LaChef.com. Okay? So please subscribe.